Today we will learn how to express the HCF of two given numbers in the form of their linear combinations. In other words, we can say how to express the HCF of two given integers a and b in the form of xa plus yb, where x and y are any integers. Suppose that we are taking a problem express HCF of 963 and 657 in the form of x 963 plus y 657, where x and y are integers. Firstly, we will divide 963 by 657. 657 divides 963 in one times, and the remainder will be 306. Since this remainder is not equal to 0, therefore we will go to a step second, and in this step we will divide 657 by 366. In this case we will get remainder 45, since this remainder is not equal to 0, and therefore we will go to the third step and divide 306 by 45. In this case, we will get remainder 36. In this step, the remainder is not equal to 0, so we will move to the next step, that is step 4. And when we divide 45 by 36, the remainder is 9, and therefore we will move to the next step 5. When divide 36 by 9, we will get remainder 0. Since the remainder in this stage is 0, therefore the divisor in this case will be HCF of the given two numbers. Here the divisor at the last stage is 9, therefore the HCF of 963 and 657 is equal to 9. When you will apply Euclid's division lemma in step 1, you will get 963 is equal to 657 into 1 plus 306. Euclid division lemma, that means A, B, Q, R. From Euclid's division lemma, you know that A is equal to BQ plus R. So 963 will be equal to 657 multiply 1 plus 306. Similarly, from the second step, you will get 657 is equal to 306 multiply 2 plus 45, and so on. You will get equation 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5 from the steps 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will express this HCF 9 in the form of x 963 plus y 657. Now we will express the HCF 9 in the form of x 963 plus y into 657. We will go to just before the last step. We will go to the just before the last step, that means to the step 4. From step 4, 45 is equal to 36 into 1 plus 9. That means 9 is equal to 45 minus 36. Now we will replace the second remainder, that is 36. Here you are looking 36 and this is 36. From equation 3rd, from equation 3rd, you can replace 36 by 306 minus 45 into 6. You get 45 minus 306 minus plus 45 into 6. This 45 and this 45 plus 6 will be equal to 45 multiply 7. Because here 147, 1 times 47 and here 6 times 47. 1 times 45 and there is 6 times 45. This means their sum will be 7 times 45. 7 times 45 minus 306. Now you will replace 45. Now you will replace this 45 from equation 2. From equation 2, you can write 45 is equal to 657 minus 306 into 2, and this is your 7. 45 can be replaced from equation 2, 657 minus 306 into 2. When you multiply 657 into 7 minus 306 into 7 to the 14 minus 306. This results minus 306 into 14 minus 306, that will be equal to minus 306 into 15. Now we will remove 306. Now we will replace this 306 from equation 1. From equation 1. From equation 1, you can replace 306 by 963 minus 657 into 1. That means 963 minus 657. This will be equal to minus 963 into 15 minus plus 657 into 15. This 657 into 7 and this 657 into 15 results 657 multiply 22 minus 963 into 15. Hence we have got 9 is equal to 657 into 22 minus 963 into 5. This can be written as minus 15 multiply 963 plus 22 multiply 657. This is your x and this is your y. Hence 9 can be written